And what about this a square minus b square? Have you done any questions on that in live class? How many of you attended live class? अच्छा ठीक है. So all of you do this question. Factorize x to the power of 4 minus x minus z whole to the power of 4. So what you will get? Which identity will use here? Which identity you have to use here? Okay, which identity you will use here? See, whenever we are having two terms, there is only one identity. What is that? A square minus b square. Or else, first of all, you have to see whether we can able to take anything common or not. We cannot take anything common here. So if that is not there, then you have to go for the a square minus b square identity. So if it is if you want to use the a square minus b square identity, we have to write this first term as square of some number. The second term also you have to write it as square of some number. So x to the power of 4, how can you write it as square of some number? X square whole square. So square of some number. So minus x minus z to the power of 4 is there. Again, the we can write it as x minus z whole square and again square. Okay. So now factorize this. So here the value of a is what? X square, and the value of b is x minus z whole square. X minus z whole square is there, not x minus z square. So it is the form of a square minus b square. You can write as a plus b into a minus b. So here the value of a is x square and the value of b is x minus z whole square. A plus b. A is that is x square plus b that is x minus z whole square.
Sir, anyone is noting that.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay. So a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Again a is x square minus b that is x minus z whole square. So further, if you only simplify, here x minus z whole square is there. You can open the bracket and you can simplify further. So if you simplify further, what you will apply? X square plus x minus z whole square on expanding, what you will get? A minus b whole square. You have to use that identity to expand that. So you will get x square plus, is it plus or minus 2xz plus z square multiplied by one dash right? Okay. So now again go to in the second term x square minus, here you have to be very careful because we are having minus of. So everything you have to put it in bracket. So it will be x square minus 2 xz plus z square. So again you can open this bracket. So when you are opening the bracket, all the terms you need to multiply inside. X square plus x square, you will get 2x square here. So these two are like as 2x square minus 2xz plus z square, and here x square is negative. When you are multiplying inside, it will become minus into x square, you will get minus x square, minus into minus 2xz, it will become plus 2xz minus z square. So this will get cancelled. So what is the answer? 2x square minus 2xz plus z square multiplied by 2xz minus z square. Okay, is it over? I think q square minus 10q plus 21. So here we are having three terms. Can we use a plus b whole square?
No, sir.
A minus b.
Yes, sir.
A minus b, if you want to use the first term, last term, you have to write it as square of some number. First का तो लिख सकते हैं because q square is there, you can write as q whole square. But what about the last term? 21 is there. Can we write it as square of some number? Yes. So we cannot write the 21 as square of a number. So that also we cannot use. A square minus b square, that also we cannot use. So what about the left out one? What is the last identity which is left out? X plus a into x plus b. So if you want to use that identity, how you have to use that? If you want to factorize using x plus a into x plus b identity, what are the steps there? Yes. So we need to split the middle term. You have to find two numbers whose sum is equal to coefficient of middle term. What is the coefficient of middle term? Minus 10. Take along with the signs. So find two numbers whose sum is minus 10 and okay. So that is not the only condition. We have to find whose sum is minus 10 and also whose product is equal to coefficient of last term. Last term is 21. So find two numbers whose sum is minus 10 and whose product is 21. What are the numbers? 7 and 3. Minus 3 and minus 7. Minus 3 minus 7 you will get minus 10. When you multiply them you will get plus 21. So now what we do using these numbers, we split this middle term. Q square minus 10q will write it as minus 3q and minus 7q plus 21. Now you make this as one group and you make this as another group. So from these two, what is common? Q. Here q will be left out and here minus 3 will be left out. And again, see here from the second term also we need q minus 3. If you want q minus 3 here, minus 7 will take out. क्योंकि आपको क्यों चाहिए मतलब ये -7 we have to take out. If you take out -7, here q will be left out and here -3 will be left out. 21 is there, plus 21 is there, -7 into -3 will get plus 21. Not some people what they will do, they will take it as q plus 3. So it will be wrong. It will be q minus 3 because 1 minus already we have taken out here. So q minus 3
Q minus 7
q minus 7. So next one is also similar question for you. The sum of two numbers should be how much?
60 plus
It should be 6. And product of two numbers should be minus 15, not 15. So what is the number? Sum should be 6 and product should be minus 16. So the word answer. नंबर क्या कौन सा है? Product is minus 16. So when we get the negative value,
8 minus
8 minus 2. See, whenever we are having this product as negative numbers, so when we are going to get negative number, one number should be positive, another number should be negative. Then only we will get a product as minus. So now you see, when one number is positive and one number is negative, their sum should come how much? 6. So combination निकालो इसका 16 है मतलब either it should be 4 into 4 or it should be 2 into 8. So 2 into 8 means you take 8 as positive number and 2 as negative number. So it will be 8 and minus 2. So 8 plus minus 2 will get 6 as the sum, and product 8 into minus 2 will get minus 16 as the product. So now you split this middle term, t square plus 8t minus 2p minus 16. So 8p minus 2p will get plus 6p. So from here p is common, p plus 8 minus 2 is common, p plus 8. So p plus 8, p plus 8 are common, p plus 8 into p minus 2. So next one you are having division. कोई दूसरा टेक्स्ट नहीं है. Okay, wait. Factor this one. 8 to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4. The last one we are simplifying. No, actually, it's not a mathematical. Also, what we do. There was a similar question in the previous one. So I'll show what we are doing. So 8 to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4 is that. So whenever you are having two terms and if you don't have any common terms, you have to write it as square of the number. 8 to the power of 4, how you write? A square square minus
B square whole square.
So now it is in the form of a square minus b square. We can write this as a square plus b square. A plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. But we should not stop here. Why? A plus b, a square plus b square already is simplified. But look at this term. A square minus b square. Further, we can factorize this a square minus b square. If it is in the form of a square minus b square, we can write that as a plus b into a minus b. So two times you have to do this one. So this one we cannot do anything because in between we are having plus. We will write this as a square plus b square. But this a square minus b square, further we can simplify it and we can write it as a plus b into a minus b. So you have to use that identity two times. In the previous question also we have done that, but we have simplified that. We should not simplify that. Okay. So we take a similar question. P to the power of 4 minus 81. What is the answer? What do you get? P square plus q square. Put together. P square whole square. 81 we get it as 9. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write this as p square plus 9 into p square minus 9. Okay. Okay, so further you see here, this can be factorized further. P square minus 9 is write it as p square. Okay. So again, this we can factorize using the a square minus b square identity. क्या होगा? So p square plus 9 into this, again we can write it as p plus 3 into p minus 3. So we need to do it two times. ठीक है. Which identity you will use here? A minus b whole square. So what you will get, this one we can write as a square whole square minus 2 into a square into b square plus b square whole square. So it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this we can write it as a square minus b square whole square. And can we factorize further?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what you will write? Yes. So this a square minus b square, we can write it as a plus b into a minus b whole square. So next you are having division. So 15x minus 25 divided by 5. So it is what 15x divided, 15x minus 25 whole divided by 5. So whenever you are having like this 15x also you have to divide it by 5 and 25 also you have to divide it by 5. Some students what they have done, they have simplified like this. So it is wrong. So it is whole divided by is there, that is both we need to divide. This 15x 5 here also 5 is there minus 25 by 5 here also it is. You have to divide it by 5. So how much you will get?
3x and 5.
3x minus 5. See, whenever you are having two terms in denominators, okay, so directly we cannot cancel this term with this and this term with this. So हमको क्या करना है? Term wise only you have to cancel. Already we have done this one.
5x minus
5x. So 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. So if we are having only one term, then we can separate the term. If we are having only one term in denominator, we can separate and we can directly cancel them. Whenever you are having two terms, you have to be very careful. So how we can cancel? The same term you have to get it on numerator and then you have to cancel them. Okay. So can we get the same term on the numerator?
Yes. Common numbers.
Yes. So we have to find, do we have any common factors or not? Okay. 5 is common here. So from these two, if you take 5 outside, what is left out here? 2x minus here 5 is left out. That divided by 2x minus 5. So you have to keep the same term on the numerator and directly we can cancel. Okay. So what is the answer? Answer will be 5. ऐसे separate cancel नहीं कर सकते. You have to give the same term, then you have to cancel. Comparing what? क्यों? उनको वो ऑनलाइन में क्विज करते हैं ना एमसीक्यू ऑनलाइन वो भी जैसे कि एमसीक्यू क्विज करें. हाँ. What is the answer? क्या है आंसर? Then y into y 6y plus 21 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. So this 5 we can cancel with any of the term, okay? But on the numerator we have to get 2y plus 7. Can we get 2y plus 7 from on numerator?
Yes.
So from these two we can take 3 common. Okay. So 10y means 10 into y into, from this we are taking 3 outside, and if you take 3 outside, what is left out? 2y plus 7 is left out. That divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. In between, if you don't have anything, that means there is a multiplication sign. So now 5 ones are 5, 2s are 2y plus 7, 2y plus 7 they will get cancelled. So what is left out here? 2 into y into 3. So 6y is the answer. Better. So it is a direct question. 5 into 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 whole divided by
2x
2x
plus
plus
1.
1. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, they will get cancelled. So you are having 5 into 3x plus 5. And this you have to open the bracket and you have to simplify. So what you will get? 5 into 3x, you will get 15x
15x
plus
plus
25. Y square plus 7y plus 10 divided by y plus 9. So denominator you see there, so we are having y plus 5. So somehow you have to get y plus 5 on the numerator, then directly we can cancel that. So can we get y plus 5
Yes.
on the numerator? Yes. To get y plus 5, what you have to do? You have to factorize this one. So in order to factorize this one, a plus b whole square we cannot use, a minus b whole square we cannot use, and also we cannot take anything common. So then which identity you have to use there? X plus a into x plus b. So y square plus 7y plus 10, this we need to factorize first. So if you are using that identity, the sum of the two numbers should be coefficient of middle term, that is 7, and the product should be 10. What are the numbers?
5
5 and 2. 2 and 5. So y square is there plus 7y will get as 2y plus 5y plus 10. So make group. So what will get? Y is common. Y plus 2 is left out. Plus 5 is common. Here also y plus 2 is left out. So y plus 2
y plus 1
into y plus 5. So on factorizing we got y plus 2 into y plus 5, and that we need to divide it by what? We have to divide it by y plus 5. So y plus 5, y plus 5 they will get cancelled. What is the answer?
y plus 2.
Y plus 2 is the answer. And one more, see here, somehow you have to get m plus 2 on the numerator. So m plus 2 निकालने के लिए क्या करना है? Last term we know that it is a product of two numbers. उसमें से एक नंबर 2 है. Then what is your second number? To get 32, by which number you have to multiply it by 2? 16. So your another number should be 16. 16 into 2 you will get 32, but since it is negative, so it should be minus 16. So easily we can find out your numbers. क्योंकि एक नंबर तो ऑलरेडी इसमें दिया रहता है, जो नीचे है वही नंबर आपको आना चाहिए. So एक नंबर हो गया 2 और दूसरा नंबर हो गया -16. So now you see here -16 plus 2 you will get -14, and when you multiply them you will get -42. So usually you can find out that number using that downside part. So what is your answer? minus 16. एक number मिल गया तो क्या है already directly we can write the answer. So on factorizing this, we will get m minus 16 into m plus 2. Okay, and that we need to divide it by m plus 2. So that m plus 2 and m plus 2 they will get cancelled.
M minus 16.
M minus 16 is your
Answer.
okay. So remaining questions you try it out. I think we will do chapter wise test. Already we are done revision of all the chapters. So one by one we will take a test. Either it may be online, choosing the correct option. If possible, we will take it offline also. So those who are attending online, just wait a minute and give attendance name.